In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check last 7-year order history in the Amazon application in 2026. To get started, open the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you're signed in to your account. This is important because your full order history is tied directly to the account you used to place your purchases. If you have more than one Amazon account, double check that you're logged into the correct one before moving forward. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the profile icon. This is where Amazon keeps most of your account-related options, including your purchases, account settings, and other personal activity. After you open your profile section, select your orders. This will take you to your order history page, where you can begin reviewing your past purchases. At first, you'll usually see your most recent orders at the top. From here, simply scroll through your order history to view previous purchases. As you continue moving down the list, older orders will begin to appear. If you're trying to find something specific, use the search orders bar. This is especially helpful if you remember the name of an item, the brand, or an order number. Instead of manually scrolling through years of purchases, you can quickly narrow things down by typing in whatever detail you remember. This can save a lot of time, especially if you've ordered frequently over the years. You may also see a filter option. If it's available in your version of the app, tap filter and choose a custom date range or a specific year. This makes it much easier to focus on one time period instead of browsing everything at once. For example, if you only want to check orders from a certain year, filtering can help you jump much closer to the results you need. To reach orders from as far back as 7 years, keep scrolling so the app continues loading older purchases from previous years. Depending on your order volume and app version, this may take a little time, so be patient while more results load. That's really all there is to it. Open the Amazon app, go to your profile, tap your orders, then scroll, search, or filter to find older purchases. If you're looking back through several years of activity, combining search and filters can make the process much faster and easier to manage. And that's how to check your last 7-year order history in the Amazon application.